Happy birthday, Sophia! All I wish for you is to be a healthy, a very loving daughter, and be a God-fearing person as well.
No destination.
Happy birthday, Sophia! Happy birthday, Sophia! Happy birthday, Sophia!
Don't need a rainbow for clover fields. We'll open the sky, make the clouds disappear. For every day that the world makes us feel like giving up, we'll make our own luck. You and me.
Si Sophia, mabait. Mabait. Maingay, makulit. Maingay lang kapag gusto. But most of the time, pwede mo siya iwanan, maglaro mag-isa, and then, madaling patawanan.
Make the clouds disappear. For every day that the world makes us feel like giving up, we'll make our own luck.
First birthday!
Happy birthday, Sophia! May kina, happy birthday ha. Magpakabait ka paglaki mo ha. Huwag ka kagad gusto sa lalaki ha, basta.
Oo, ayan na.
No destination, this whole world, ours for the taking, brand new life, out there just waiting, oh, let's go.
Ang gusto ko sa kanya, maging mabait at may takot sa Diyos paglaki. Okay.
Hindi mo maging partner mo sa buhay at ako kawawang maging siguro ulit.
Oh, sige na.
Oh.
We'll make our own luck. We'll make our own luck. We'll make our own luck.
For sure, in the future, magpapanood mo to. Magmula pagbinyag mo, ngayong first birthday mo, and hopefully, sa mga susunod pang birthday mo, may ganito pa rin tayo. And I love you very much. Happy birthday, Sophia.